Did you know AI is changing the way people make money faster than ever before? Imagine tapping into this technology to open new income streams without needing to be a tech expert or spending hours learning complicated tools. In fact, when used wisely, AI can become your secret weapon for earning money in ways you might never have thought possible. If you stick with me till the end of this video, I'll share a powerful mindset shift that can supercharge your success with AI, no matter your background or skills. Today, I'll walk you through proven strategies on how AI helps you make money, from content creation to automation, marketing, even investing. No long software tutorials, no complicated setups, just actionable ideas you can start exploring. This is all about setting you up for long-term success, created with simplicity and power in mind. So, why is AI such a game changer for anyone looking to earn money? The answer lies in its ability to automate repetitive tasks, learn from massive data faster than any human, and even create original content, ideas, or designs. You're still using the old, slow, painful way, the method that steals your time and caps your income. What used to take days or weeks of frantic effort can often be done in minutes with the right AI tools. This kind of speed and scale means that whether you're running a business, freelancing, or building passive income streams, AI gives you a massive productivity boost. You don't have to be a coder or tech whiz. You just need to understand how to leverage AI as a tool to work smarter, not harder. Now, let's break down the biggest money-making categories where AI is already transforming the game. First up is content creation. Whether it's YouTube videos, blogs, social media posts, or even digital art, AI can help you generate high-quality content quickly. Imagine having AI assist in writing script drafts, suggesting blog ideas, or even creating graphics and music to enrich your work, all in a fraction of the time it usually takes. This doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. Plus, once you create strong content, you can monetize it through ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise, or affiliate marketing. Building these digital assets can generate income for months or years. Next, automating business and freelance tasks. AI can help you with everything from clearing out those 47 junk emails sitting in your inbox right now, to auto-scheduling that meeting you've been putting off for a week, or even helping you stop wasting 4 hours every Monday compiling that Excel report that nobody reads. For freelancers, it can dramatically cut down time spent on repetitive work like data analysis or even coding. This opens the doors for you to accept more clients, deliver faster, and upsell premium AI-enhanced services. You become more competitive, efficient, and profitable without needing to hire more help. Marketing and sales are other massive areas where AI shines. Traditional marketing relied heavily on guesswork, but AI uses data to find the right customer at the right time with the right message. Tools powered by AI analyze buyer behavior, optimizing ad spending so you stop burning $100 a day on the wrong Facebook demographic. This means you get more conversions for less money, a direct boost to your bottom line. Whether you run an online store or offer services, integrating AI into your marketing funnel can dramatically improve your results. Don't forget investing. AI-driven stocks, startups, and crypto projects offer exciting opportunities to grow your wealth by backing the future technology revolution. While investing always carries risk, smart use of AI for research and trend analysis can give you an edge in spotting winners early. Combining these approaches creates diverse income streams, balancing active and passive earnings. Now, let's get practical. How can you actually start making money with AI right now? Start by identifying where AI fits your current skills or business. Are you a content creator looking to cut production time? A freelancer wanting to impress clients with faster delivery? A marketer eager to boost ad ROI? Or maybe you're curious about investing, but want data-driven insights. Once you know where AI fits best, pick accessible AI tools. Many are user-friendly and inexpensive or even free. Experiment by automating one small task a day or producing one piece of AI-assisted content per week. Track what works and what doesn't. Here's a quick story. There's a story of a small creator who was struggling to grow their YouTube channel. They started using AI to outline video scripts and generate thumbnails. Within 2 months, their channel saw a 50% boost in watch time and more consistent uploads. The creator said the real game changer was freeing their mind from tedious work, so they could focus on creativity and engaging with viewers. That's the magic of AI. It's your helper and teammate. A common question: isn't AI going to replace jobs? The truth is, AI shifts the skill set needed, but doesn't eliminate opportunity. It creates new roles and ways to monetize your unique talents. The winners will be those who collaborate with AI, not resist it. Now, here's that mindset shift I promised. AI doesn't replace effort, it replaces tedium. Your value isn't in typing faster. Your value is in the 1% of creative strategy that AI can't do. Focus on the 1% human insight and let AI handle the other 99% of the work. That is the secret to unstoppable success. Before we wrap up, quick tip: don't fall into the trap of perfecting your AI setup endlessly. Action beats perfection. Start small, build habits, then scale what works. So, what's your next step with AI? Whether it's drafting your first AI-assisted blog post, automating a tedious task, or researching your first AI stock, take one action today that moves you closer to leveraging AI for income. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for regular tips on building income smartly. Drop a comment below with your biggest AI questions or what you want me to cover next. Let's make this year your most profitable yet, powered by AI and your unstoppable will. Thanks for watching. Now go turn these ideas into action.